Welcome to Turn and Forge Metal Tech, manufacturer and exporter of brass components. The company was established in 2009 at Jamnagar. Our rigorous quality control guidelines and transparent business policies make us stand apart from all brands. We are backed by cutting-edge technology and efficient logistics support. Our client list includes RK Industries and Medusa Limited. We offer a wide assortment of LPG fittings, data cables, brass cutout, and earth terminals. Our brass battery terminal, cable glands, and products are widely acclaimed in the market. LPG fittings and data cables offered by us are available at industry-leading prices. Our brass cutout and earth terminals are best in the industry amongst others. We also provide brass battery terminal for automobile that are extremely reliable. Along with that, we offer brass cable glands for electronic that are a class apart. To get more information, log on at www.tfmtindia.com.